In this video, you will learn how to fix the server error, also called the 500 or 500 error in Elementor. So let's get started. You can see here that when we publish or save the changes made on an Elementor page, we get a server error. To fix this issue, we need to install a new plugin. First, go to the WordPress dashboard. Next, click on Plugins. Now, click on Add New. In the search bar, type WP Sweep. Install the WP Sweep plugin. After installation, click on Activate. Once the WP Sweep plugin is installed and activated, go to the Tools tab on the left side of the WordPress dashboard. Now click on Sweep. On the right side of the page, click the Sweep All button under the Action section. After this, go back to your Elementor page. Now, when you click the Publish or Save button, you can see that the changes are updated successfully. We no longer see the server error in Elementor. With this, we come to the end of the video. Like, comment, and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates.